How to activate your Neo credit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can activate your Neo credit card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser and search for Activate Neo credit card. Then you'll find the website by Neo Financial. Head over to that Activate Physical Card link. And after you're here, it will tell you guys how you can activate your card. So you can activate by logging in into your new profile. So you can do that as well. I'll just open this up in another tab. Or by just logging in here. Or you can simply manually activate your card by typing in your card number right here. Your validity of the card. Then your CVC. CVC, just type in your CVC and then your 4-digit PIN. Doing that, tap on continue and follow the prompts if any shown. Then your card will get activated and you're good to go. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.